Hi, struggling with messy data in Excel? Duplicates driving you crazy? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Top 6 ways to remove duplicates in Excel. Highlight and zap. Conditional formatting to expose duplicates in a blaze of color. One-click wonder. The Remove Duplicates button for instant cleanup. Filter Frenzy. The advanced filter for surgical precision. Formula Fury. The unique function for a mathematical knockout. Power Query Powerhouse. Data transformation magic to cleanse your spreadsheets. Pivot Table Prowess. Summarize and deduplicate with this versatile tool. Method 1. Using conditional formatting. First up, highlighting duplicates using conditional formatting. Let's use this example data set. Select the range of cells. Go to the Home tab on the ribbon, click Conditional Formatting. In the Styles group, choose Highlight Cells Rules, and then Duplicate Values. Set the formatting options and click OK. Review and manually delete the highlighted duplicates. Here's what the cleaned up data looks like. Method 2. Using the Remove Duplicates feature. Next, the simplest and most direct way, using the Remove Duplicates feature. Select the range of cells where you want to remove duplicates. Go to the Data tab, click Remove Duplicates in the Data Tools group. In the Remove Duplicates dialog box, check or uncheck the columns to search for duplicates, and click OK. And just like that, duplicates are gone. Here's the result. Method 3. Using Advanced Filter. Now, let's use the Advanced Filter to display only unique records. Select your data range. Go to the Data tab, click Advanced in the Sort and Filter group. In the Advanced Filter dialog box, select Copy to another location. Set the list range to your data range, and set the copy to range to where you want the unique records. Check the Unique Records Only box, and click OK. Now you have a unique list. Here's the unique list. Method 4. Using formulas. For the formula enthusiasts, the unique function in Excel 365 in 2019 is a lifesaver. Select a cell where you want the unique list to appear. Type equals unique A1, C5, false, and press enter. Excel will display only the unique values. Here's the result. The unique values. Here's the result. Method 5. Power Query. Power users, get ready. Power Query offers powerful data transformation capabilities. Select your data range, go to the Data tab, click From Table Range in the Get and Transform Data group. In the Power Query editor, select the columns where you want to remove duplicates. Click Remove Rows, then Remove Duplicates. Close and load to return the transformed data to Excel. And there you have it, a cleaned up dataset. Method 6. Pivot Table. Last but not least, pivot tables for summarizing and deduplicating data. Select your data range, go to the Insert tab, click Pivot Table, choose where you want the pivot table report to be placed. Drag your field to the rows area, and get a unique list instantly. Here's the unique list from the pivot table. And there you have it. 6 foolproof methods to tackle duplicates in Excel. Whether you're cleaning up a small list or a massive dataset, these techniques will save you time and headaches.